Stop ignoring updates. Here's why hackers love outdated devices. Have you ever ignored that little notification telling you to update your device because it felt like a waste of time? You're not alone. Many people hit remind me later for days or even weeks. But here's the truth. Every time you delay an update, you leave a door open for hackers. Hackers love outdated systems. When software companies release updates, they often fix security holes. But those fixes are public. That means hackers now know exactly where the holes are, and they target anyone who hasn't updated yet. In other words, if you don't update, you're basically giving hackers a map straight into your system. This video is your guide to fixing that problem. Stay with me to the end, and I'll show you how to keep your computer and your phone protected with simple habits you can start today. The first step is to turn on automatic updates. Both computers and mobile devices give you this option. And once it's set, you won't have to think about it. Updates will install as soon as they're available, closing those holes before hackers can use them. The second step is to update your apps, not just your system. Hackers don't only look at Windows, Mac OS, or Android. They also attack outdated apps like browsers, messaging platforms, and even games. Open your App Store or Settings, check for pending updates, and install them regularly. The third step is to restart your devices often. Many updates don't take effect until you restart. If you're someone who leaves your computer or phone running for weeks, you may be delaying important security patches. A simple restart once or twice a week makes a huge difference. And the fourth step is to remove apps you no longer use. Old, abandoned apps that never get updated are weak points. Deleting them not only frees space, but also reduces your risk of being exploited. When you keep your software and devices up to date, you block one of the easiest ways hackers break in. But remember, hackers don't rely only on technical tricks. They also use manipulation. That's why you should watch the next video on how to stop phishing emails, because even with strong updates, a single click on the wrong link can undo all your efforts. Here's a question for you. Be honest. How often do you actually update your devices? Do you hit update now, or are you a remind me later person? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see where most people stand. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with a friend so they can also stay protected. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next tip.